Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making protein muffins. I am so excited about this today. It's not completely vegan because I'm using 2 eggs. All the rest of the ingredients are vegan, so I'm working on this recipe and hopefully in a few weeks I can make this completely vegan. So the main things you need is vegan protein powder. I'm using the chocolate one. I'm having some organic dark chocolate. I'm having 2 very ripe bananas, some peanut butter, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, baking powder, and brown rice syrup. You can also use honey, but of course honey is not vegan, so I am using all these vegan ingredients except of the eggs. So what I'm doing today, I am just using these 2 ripe bananas. They're really ripe because they're so soft. But you need that because the riper the bananas, the more sugar they have in them. Then I'm just gonna clean my hands first. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the syrup. Like I said, if you're not vegan and you're just using honey, that's fine as well. It's sweet and it gives an amazing flavor. Then I'm using 2 eggs. I'm just gonna take this one out because I'm absolutely making a mess right now. So I'm going to put now the vanilla extract in. 1 tablespoon again. Then my favorite ingredient, that's the peanut butter. I love peanut butter. This is 1 big cup of peanut butter. So I am using 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then the vegan protein powder. I love this one. I love this brand. I have it for my shakes in the morning or when I did my workout. It's so nice. There's no milk products in it and it tastes amazing. So I'm using 1 scoop. A little bit less than 1 scoop. If you don't like the chocolate flavor, you can use vanilla or you can use peanut butter or something else, but I just love the chocolate one. So once you put everything in, you're gonna mix it. So right now I'm gonna mix everything. I'm always scared of this. Ooh. Oh no! So everything is mixed. So I'm just going to put it all in here. And it's actually not even so unhealthy because you're just having some peanut butter and peanut butter is really healthy. A little bit of protein powder, also very healthy. The eggs are fine as well. And the bananas are amazing. Good minerals, good vitamins, so you can have this today if you want to. I'm placing the chocolates on top. It just looks really cute. You can also use the smaller ones if you want to. I just love them. So this is it. The oven is on 200 degrees. I'm only going to put it in there for 10 minutes and then everything is ready. So the muffins are ready. They have to cool off for an hour at least, so they don't stick to everything, and they look amazing. Take a look, guys. How nice do they look? Now take a few out. Look at this. So I'm trying to work on a recipe that's completely vegan because I have all the vegan ingredients in these muffins. I just had some eggs in it, so I feel like I'm cheating a little bit, but I'm going to work on a recipe and hopefully next time I can make a completely vegan version of this recipe. Just make sure you put some coconut oil so it doesn't burn. Like you see, like some of them are burnt a little bit, but it's not so bad. So always put a little bit of coconut oil in so it doesn't burn. Et voila! My homemade banana protein muffins with a little bit of chocolate and peanut butter. It's finished, guys. I'm so happy with my peanut butter muffins. They taste amazing. I love them. I had a little bite. They're very cheeky bites. They're healthy. I don't feel guilty after eating them. And I'm just gonna have another one as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye.